Namaskar. In this video, we will introduce you to rational numbers. Earlier, we began our study of numbers with counting numbers or natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. By including 0 to natural numbers, we got whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The negative of natural numbers were put together with whole numbers to get integers, that is -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations were defined on integers and various properties: closure property, commutative property, associativity, existence of identity, existence of inverse. Of these operations were discussed. In the earlier classes, the concept of rational numbers was introduced and addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations on rational numbers were defined. In this chapter, we will learn about various properties of these operations on rational numbers. Let's start with what are rational numbers. A number of the form p by q, or a number which can be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0, is called a rational number. In other words, a rational number is any number that can be expressed as the quotient of two integers with a condition that the divisor is not 0. Each of the numbers 7 by 9, -2 by 11, -3 by 2, 15 by -7 is a rational number. It should be noted that every integer is a rational number. In the rational number p by q, integer p is known as the numerator and non-zero integer q is called denominator. If the numerator and denominator of a rational number are of the same sign, then it is said to be positive. Otherwise, it is negative. Rational numbers 7 by 11 and -25 by -9 are positive, whereas -11 by 7 and 4 by -15 are negative rational numbers. If p by q is a rational number and m is a non-zero integer, then p by q can be written as p into m by q into m. Rational number p into m by q into m is a rational number equivalent to p by q. If p by q is a rational number and m is a common divisor of p and q, then p by q is equals to p by m by q by m. Let me ask you a question. What is the lowest form of rational number? The answer to this is a rational number p by q is said to be in the lowest form or simplest form if p and q have no common factor other than 1. Rational number 5 by 7 is in the lowest form, but 15 by 21 is not in the lowest form. In order to reduce a rational number p by q in the lowest form, we divide its numerator p and denominator q by the HCF of p and q. A rational number p by q is said to be in standard form if its denominator q is a positive integer and p and q have no common divisor other than 1. What is equality of rational numbers? Let's explain this. Two rational numbers p by q and r by s are equal if p into s equals q into r. That is, p by q is equal to r by s, which can be written as p into s is equals to q into r. That is, numerator of first into denominator of second, which is equals to numerator of second into denominator of first. For example, let us say minus 7 by 21 is equals to 3 by minus 9 and 5 by 7 is equals to 20 by 28, because minus 7 into minus 9 is equals to 21 into 3 and 5 into 28 is equals to 7 into 20. In the next video, we will learn about addition of rational numbers. Namaskar.